Hey guys, welcome back to PED 110. So this week we are beginning our stretch on the areas of health-related fitness, and so we come out with the first and what's considered to be maybe the most important. And let me emphasize, they're all important, but when we're talking about cardiorespiratory endurance, we're talking about heart and lungs and how they work together um, to just help your body function like it's supposed to. And we know how important the heart is. And we also know what an epidemic it is in our society, and in particular in our country, with heart health, usually because or heart disease, usually due to poor diet and lack of physical activity, living a sedentary lifestyle. And so our goal with this course obviously is to get you moving more, to be more intentional about what you're putting into your body, and just to improve your overall quality of life. And so as you incorporate physical activity, I hope that you're very intentional about focusing on cardiorespiratory endurance. Okay, and so here we go. Assessment, that's you checking your current level, and then prescription, how you can improve in that particular area. And so this chapter's, or this week's, business as usual. You've got your checklist, your video, your PowerPoint, your quiz, your labs, and then your physical activity monitoring report. Remember, with these monitoring reports, you're doing a great job with it, but I would like to see an increase if you're of either duration or intensity. Okay, and so think back to chapter 2 where we're talking about those principles and frequency, intensity, time, and type, or overload and progression. And so we want to make sure that we're incorporating those principles into our physical activity each week. Now, the lab this week, it is a little different than what you've done in the past. Let me click up to it. So you actually have 2 labs to complete. One where you learn to measure your heart rate, and then another where you have a fitness test. And notice here it says choose one of the 3. So I'll click on that. It's actually going to give you 3 different tests to complete. However, you only have to choose one. So when it comes to the grade book, it may not show, in fact, it won't show that this lab is complete. I'll manually give you your grade for that, so don't worry about that. So you can do the step test, 1 mile walk test, or 1.5 mile run. Choose one of the 3. And then remember the heart rate lab also. So you're doing 2 labs here, one of these 3, and then the heart rate lab. All right, I've rambled enough. Guys, you're doing great. Keep it up. Remember, looking over here, you want to see a full green bar. That's your indication that you have completed all of the assignments for the week. All right, good luck. Take care. I'm here if you need anything. Live well, guys.